Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Elevate with Dr. Khizer Ahmed. Today I'll be telling you people secrets that Instagram algorithm doesn't want you to know. So let us start off. Engagement matters the most. Comments, shares and saves are more important than likes. Next point. The first hour is very critical. Means the algorithm boosts posts that get fast engagement in the first hour. Let us go to the next point. Video content wins. Reels and videos are prioritized over static posts. Very important. Keep this in mind. Next one, consistency is key. Posting regularly increases visibility and reach. Next one, hashtags still work. People think that hashtags are not working nowadays. No. Use your niche specific hashtags for better discovery. Stories influence feed ranking, means more story interactions mean better post reach. So upload your post on stories also. So coming to the conclusion, understand the algorithm and use it accordingly to for your advantage. So I want you people to like and comment on this video if you have any doubts. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.